Today I'm replacing the carburetor on a 1965 Mustang. Got the Amazon special right here, right there. So that's what I'll be doing. We'll be getting this ready to go. You'll need a 9/16, a 13, and an 11. This is all to take the parts off. Now let's get going. These are tiny little carburetor, so it shouldn't be too bad, but let's get that thing going. A new one with the new gasket, so hopefully this works out really good. But it's better than the one it's got on, I guarantee it. Like, it's got a 13 on one side and an 11 on the other side. Why? I couldn't tell you why they did it that way, but they did. Now let's get this. It's a 9/16. Let's get this thing out of here. Oops. Looks like I might have to get something to hold on to the other one. Let's try 15. It's a 15 mil. 15 and a 9/16 to get this thing off. If I can. There we go. Ow, just busted my knuckles, motherfucker. Bam, there's one. Gotta take this other one off for the choke. I was reading up on it. Supposedly it gets the temperature, and it, with the heat coming into this, and for some reason this little diaphragm in here will open it when the choke, because it's closed when it turns on in the morning when the cold start, and then it'll open it up when the choke, when it heats up the temperature. Oh God, is that broken? Yep. My choke's busted out anyway. Oh, that just pops in. Okay, not a big deal. Just pops in that little hole. And that one there, I don't know what it's for. It goes connected to, oh, it's suction. So it goes connected to the actual distributor. So now I just gotta take that other bolt off. This shouldn't take too long to do if I don't run into any issues. Oh yeah, there we go. Gotta get that linkage off. Oh, there it is. That piece of crap right here pooped out on me. Well, let's get the new one going. There we go. Ooh, it looks like it even came with the gas filter. Look at that. Now for the new carburetor. Be careful with this little, look at that tiny ass little thing. How's that gonna fucking... Oh God, I hope it works. A lot of stuff shaking in it. No, I'll give it a whirl. I'm not gonna cry about it. That looks like it needs one of their adapters. Let's see what we got. Let's see here. No. Okay, looks like I have to do something there. All right, so that'll work for now until I find the accurate part. Because that's just for the choke. That's all it's gonna do. 1, 2, 3. And done. Good enough. All right, so that's nice and tight to put the gas line in. There we go. Okay, this one's gonna be holding it here. Let me tighten this one first. Can't wait. This is the beginning of my car. All right, so let's see how that's gonna work out here. All right, moment of, oh, forgot the linkage. Hold on. There we go. All right, moment of truth. Here we go. Turn on, yeah, buddy. Today.
It's on right now?
It's already on.
Do we want to start now?
Yep, go ahead. Finally got my car. Will it run?